Hey everybody, welcome back to Layman Loans. In this video, we're going to see where you can get a gold loan. There are different players from whom you can get a gold loan. From ancestral times, they used to go and get a gold loan in a pawn shop in a small place where there used to be kind of Jain people who used to give money on your gold. That is one of the sources, but you have much better standardized RBI regulated sources now where you can get loans at a much lower interest rate and at a higher cost for every gram what you give. Primarily, we recommend you to go for a gold loan through a bank, and that too, if you have any piece of agricultural land, you can take that copy as well with you and take your gold loan as part of your agricultural investment. So what happens is you have an empty plot of land somewhere outside the city limits. You can actually enclose that particular document along with your gold loan, and that will help you get the gold loan at a much lower interest rate. So assume the standard interest rates are 14% or 15%. If you have an agricultural property along with your gold loan, they will probably be giving you the entire gold loan for 8 or 9% itself. Secondly, if you do not want to go for the bank because they are giving you a much lower amount, you can go for few private players like say Muthoot Finance or Manappuram. There are several private players as well who are there to give you who are there to give you loan based on your gold. First thing you need to note is gold loan is given on jewelry and not on coins or bars. So if you have gold in the form of coins or gold bars, I don't think you will be able to get a jewel loan because jewels are anything which you can wear or which you can use. So if you have a gold coin along with a small ring attached to it, that is considered as a jewel. But if you have a standard gold coin, then you cannot get a loan for that. So for that, even though it is gold, you cannot get a loan on that. So typically, if you are trying to get gold for your family, you can always get gold through chits or through places where you get the lowest making charges and wastages, because a gold is always an investment. You don't have to make that investment like go away or reduce its cost by giving a lot of money to the dwellers in the form of wastage and making charges. So whatever gold you have, you can go and pledge it in many of the banks, and I don't think NBFCs provide this. Mostly banks or private players like Manappuram or Muthoot people, they provide gold loans. You can go and give it to them with your ID proof and address proof. Especially you need a PAN card if you need a gold loan, and you need your Aadhaar card with your correct valid address, and you need to take your phone along with for you to give the OTP, you need to take your phone as well along with a check leaf from your bank, because if you're taking a gold loan anything more than 2 lakhs or some banks say even more than 1 lakh, they'll deposit this amount in as an IMPS transfer or an NEFT transfer in your account only. So for this very reason, you need to take a check leaf as well. So if you walk into the bank or to any of these gold lending players, they'll be there to assist you on this. And if you have gold jewelry with a lot of stones, then they are going to reduce a lot of amount on that. So if assume you're going to get a jewelry in a shop for 32 grams or so, possibly you would have paid for the entire 32 grams into the gold price on that particular date. Or there are shops which say there is a net weight and there's a gross weight, wherein there is a gold weight of 18 grams and remaining is for the stones. There are shops which give this demarcation, but there are so many shops which will actually charge you the gold cost even for the stones as well. But if you go to any lending institution, whether it is banks or private players, they will outrightly check and reduce the total amount of the gold for the stones. So if you have a lot of stone jewelry, which is like a jewelry full of stones, a necklace set which is completely stones, they can reduce anywhere around 50% or 60% of the total weight in order to calculate the total amount which they can give you. And at what rate you are willing to pledge, based on that, the total amount what they give and the rate of interest will also vary. We have already spoken about gold loans in one of our previous videos. Please do check out that video as well. I hope this video is useful to you all, and if you are looking for any loans, whether it is gold loan or any other type of loans, you can always feel free to reach out to us and we are there to help you. Please comment your views in the comment section, and if you want to contact us, fill up the form mentioned in the link given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to connect with you all in the next one.